Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and we got some decent watch faces for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and we got a nice lineup for you. I think you're gonna like all of these, especially considering that they are free. Let's start off with number one. Number one is called Bold Gear, and the bold comes from the bold digital time that it's gonna give you in 24 hours. Now, in the always on mode, you're gonna get a nice traditional analog clock, which is what you need, which is most important that you will want to see at a glance. But when the watch face is on, what I like about this, first of all, is that it offers shortcuts, and considering that it is free, this is definitely a nice offer. Now, what you're going to get at the top is the info on your steps. You come down, you're going to get your battery life. You go back up, you're going to get the day, the month and the date, and you're also going to get shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch, which isn't bad at all. You're going to be able to play your music, make a phone call, go into your settings. You can also find your phone with this watch face, and you can also check the weather, and you also get information on your heart rate. So I thought this was really nice for a free watch face, and it is interactive. If I tap right here, I can go in and check out my music. And you can go in, of course, make a phone call, check your weather. This is really a decent watch face. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you would download this watch face, even though it's free. Number two, this one is called Orange Digital with application bezel. This one here is a beautiful watch face, and you will be able to get away with dressing up with this watch face. And remember, this one is free in the Gear Manager store. Download this one right away. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to almost get the same look. You're going to get your digital time, and you're also going to get your step status info at a glance. That's not bad at all. When the watch face is on, I like what it gives you. Now, at the top, you're going to get battery info along with miles walked or ran. Dead center, you're going to get your time and big bold numbers, and you're also going to get the day, the date, and the month. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate info, your step status info, and you're going to also get how many stairs you have climbed for that day. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you get so many different applications. You get weather, S-Health. You can send a text message, check your email, calendar, S-Voice, which I wish was, of course, Google Assistant, but you also get your settings. So they offer a lot of shortcuts, and it is interactive. All you gotta do is simply tap on one, and it'll take you right into that application. I thought this watch face offered a lot, especially considering that it is free. Make sure you go download this one right after the video. Let's go ahead and check out the last but not least watch face number three. Now, number three is just as nice as number two. Listen, this one here is a nice dress up and or super casual watch face. The name of the watch face is called Chronos Lite. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a traditional analog watch face look, which isn't bad at all. When the watch face is on, to me, it has a touch of elegance to it. Yes, it is an analog watch face. I like how they highlighted the tips, and you got a red second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that adds the class to the classic look of this watch face. Now, if you come down to the bottom, they also give you information on your heart rate, steps, and your battery percentage. Along with that, you also get the day of the week, the date, and the month. This is not a bad traditional analog watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Free Watch Face Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to go download right away. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.